Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Chris Holt and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and haven't seen the video of the exhaust how it was before, definitely go ahead and take a look at that. I think it's up here, maybe up here, but that was just a full straight piped exhaust on my 2010 Camaro V6. Now I do have catless 1 7/8 long tube headers that I have on the car, but this time we're changing it up. We're going to add a couple resonators to the exhaust to see if it's less raspy. Alright guys, got this box from Summit Racing, and yeah, I'll rip it open, see what we got. That worked. Alright, got a nice little box right here with another box. Another box, one more, and another. So, if you guys can't tell, we got some Vibrant Performance resonators here, and some more AP Enforcer resonators here. I'll unbox them and show you guys what they are. Alright, so I've got them kind of unboxed. You can tell that the box for the Vibrant Performance one's really nice, and it comes all bubble wrapped right here, and then the AP Enforcer is just out, and so there's that one, the AP Enforcer right there, and then here is the Vibrant Performance bottle style, I believe. I'll pull part numbers and grab those out for you guys in a second, but pull it out, and there you go. Hang on. So, really nice stainless steel right here. So, these will set you back around $57 a piece, and I got 2 of them. And these AP Enforcer glass packs will set you back around $30 a piece. Now, there's a bit of difference between the two. The Vibrant Performance is kind of a straight through your typical resonator. And then this one is a little bit heavier, and you can see it's kind of got a rounded pattern like that, and each way has a different sound. It's kind of hard to see and tell, but the goal is to put both of these on the car, because if you haven't heard before what my car sounds like, it's a little raspy as you get on it. But around town it's not bad, so we'll see if these guys will do the trick here. It's never been done before, at least to my knowledge. They are 2.5-inch diameter a piece, in and outlet, so that's kind of what we got to do. Alright, we disconnected the exhaust right there from the long tube headers, took out the cat pieces right there. Let's see. Yeah, those cat pieces that aren't cats, they're just pipes. And then we are now going to cut right there, and so that we can move this 2.5-inch right there to further back. Alright, so we cut off this center portion right there, and it's right there, and now we got to figure out how to get that resonator and the ones over there, oh, and that one too, up in the exhaust, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so since it's temporary right now, I put the resonator on with a 2.5 to 2 1/4 on there, and then just some standard exhaust clamps. If I like it, I'll get it welded here in a little bit. But so this is what it looks like. We just pressed in the 2.5 to 2 1/4 on that side of the resonator, and there's the resonator, 2.5 on both sides. And then I'll put the other one in, set the exhaust obviously up, and then we'll get back to work on this guy right here. Alright, so we cut the H pipe off, and we got these guys semi-installed right there on exhaust clamps, and then we have the top of the H pipes going in to connect these resonators right in there. So, yep, in the final stages, guys. Alright, so final product we got today, long tube headers, a catless. These are not cats, these are resonators, the Vibrant Performance resonators, into just kind of the cross, come together. Right here is where an H pipe normally is, that goes from 2.5 to 2.25, but I deleted that and put two AP Performance 18-inch resonators. I think they're the Enforcer resonators. And then right here, I went from a 2.5 to 2.25, no crossover, so they're true duals. And then from there back, I put that back in. This cross piece was out, but I put it back into the factory resonators, all the way back into muffler deletes right here. Now the 4.5-inch tips stay, and yeah, that should be it. Hopefully she sounds good. We'll get our first startup here in a little bit. Alright, so the new idle is definitely deeper than before, but it's obviously quieter, the whole system is. But yeah, I think I like it. We'll see. I'd take it out for a drive and let you guys know what I think of it. Alright guys, this will be a cold start up. There's dogs. This will be a cold start on the resonated exhaust from my 2010 Camaro V6. Alright guys, that was the cold start, and then this is the idle now. It's a lot quieter, but it's quite a bit deeper. It's not perfect, not how it's gonna be for forever, but it's what we got right now. Hopefully I can give you guys some more clips of the driving and some more outside rolling shots, kind of like I did in last video. Alright guys, this is going to be a cold startup on my resonated exhaust for my 2010 Camaro V6. So it's definitely quieter than before, but it's just less raspy, which we like. It's still super loud, but a lot less raspy. Now a question I got in last video is how come I still have the check engine light right there? Well, I am running catless long tube headers, but I don't have my car tuned yet. So that's why it's got a check engine light. It's totally safe. Yeah, it's probably robbing me horsepower not having it tuned, but it's still there and it works. So this is just your typical idle right now, and it's not too loud, so we like that. Alright, here's going to be a driving clip of the resonated exhaust. And sorry if it's a little loud for the wind or the rain. It is raining. Love living up here in Washington. So it's really not too bad. Like driving at normal speeds, you can barely hear it. But when you get on it, I'll drop a couple gears right here. Come on down. It's not too bad. It really isn't all that obnoxious. It's a lot less raspy than before, and yes, it's still very, very, very loud because there's no mufflers on this car, but those resonators definitely help the sound be a lot less raspy, and I'd highly recommend it to any of you guys that are trying to make a raspy exhaust less raspy and still want to keep the loudness of your exhaust. This is the windows down idle. Do a little bit of a windows down. Sorry, a lot of that noise is from the rain, summer tires, and rain. It is raining. Seattle, lovely Seattle. Alright, so there you have it. That's my new custom mid-pipe for my 2010 Camaro V6. Definitely toned down the rasp a lot, and I would highly recommend it to any of you guys that want to tone down the rasp on your exhaust system. Whether it's a full custom exhaust, a straight pipe exhaust, whatever it is, if you get some of those resonators that I'll have in the description down below, go ahead and pick yourself some of those up, and you'll definitely take the rasp out of the engine. What do you think of the sound now? Do you like it better than the straight pipe exhaust, or do you like the straight pipe better? As I said before, I think this is just a midpoint. Definitely going to try and do something else as we go on. Try and improve every single time. For me, I think it sounds a lot better. It's a lot less raspy, and that's what I was going for. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I know something that's going to be really interesting to hear is, since I deleted the H pipe and didn't put in an X pipe, the pipes are true duals from the header full all the way out to the back, and they don't cross over each other. Now that's something I could feel as I'm driving a little bit of lack in low end torque. So if I'm out here telling you guys something to do, I would recommend not deleting your crossover pipe, or if you do, add another one in. But for me, since the AP Enforcer resonators are there in the middle, I had to cut the center section out to actually move the pipes out just a little bit further away from each other. Not a big deal, but it made it so that I couldn't use my factory H pipe. But like I said, behind the resonators, it goes into 2 1/4. So I actually have 6 resonators in total on the car right now. But it sounds really unique. I don't think you'll hear another one out there like that, but it's the way to go if you guys want to tone down the rasp in your exhaust. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more content like this. And just like that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.